Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking channel na GTR Math Tutorial at Facebook na RJ Enseñado. Okay, so for today's video, I will discuss Civil Service Exam Reviewer for Numerical Reasoning. So specific na topic natin ay data interpretation. So meron tayong table dito tapos merong 5 questions. Ito ay ipiniem sa akin sa sinend sa GC namin. Meron kaming GC ng mga nagre-review. So, isinend sa akin ito. So, ito yung question. Ayan. So, meron tayong table, tapos merong 5 questions. So, i-post nyo muna and try nyo sagutan itong 5 items na ito. So, lahat na itong, ang gagamitin natin sa 5 questions ay itong table. So, first column ay year, second column ay number of participants, and third column is the total registration fees in pesos. Okay, so let's answer this. Number 121. What was the registration fee per participant in the year 2010? So for the year 2010, the number of participants is 35 and the total registration fees in pesos is 210,000. So the question is, what was the registration fee per participant in the year 2010? So all we have to do is just divide. Okay, so we will just divide the total registration to the number of participants so that we will get the registration fee per participant in the year 2010. So we will use this row year 2010. Okay, so to solve that, just divide 210,000 divided by 35. Okay, so just divide manually. So 210 divided by 35. So that is equal to 210 divided by 35. So look at the choices. We have 5,000, 4,500, 6,000, and 7,000. So let's try 5. So we have 5 times 5. That is equal to 25. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 17. So therefore, this is not 5. So let's try 6. So if this is 6, 6 times 5, that is equal to 6 times 5, that's equal to 30. And then 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3. So that is equal to 21. Okay, so this is exactly 6,000. So 210 minus 210 is 0. So just copy the remaining 3 zeros. So therefore, the registration fee per participant in the year 2010 is 6,000, letter C. Okay. So next number 122. What was the approximate percent increase in the registration fee per participant in the year 2013 and 2014? So just look in the row 2013 and 2014. Okay? So we're looking for the percent increase. What was the approximate percent increase in the registration fee per participant? So just like in the previous number, we will divide the registration fees to the number of participants. And then we want to solve the percent increase in the year 2013 to 2014. So the formula for the percent increase, increase is old value minus the new value. So this is percent increase. So therefore, it should be new because the new will be greater than, because we're looking for the percent increase. So this is new minus old over the old value. Okay, so let's solve the new value and old value. Just divide this, 371 divided by 53,000 and 344,000 divided by 43. So let's do that manually. So we have 371,000 divided by 53. And then we have 344,000 divided by 43. Okay, so we can estimate this 53. If this is 50 and this is 350, that is 7. So approximately this is 7. 7 times 3, we have 21. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 2. So we have 37. Okay, so that's exactly 371,000. Subtract this is 0. So just copy the 3 remaining zeros. So we have 7,000. So the registration fee in the year 2013 is 7,000 pesos. And then for the year 2014, so just divide this. So let's estimate if this is 40 and then this is 300, let's say 340. So what is the answer? 34 divided by 4. So that would be around 8. Okay, so let's try 8. So we have 8 times 3. That is equal to 24. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so this is exactly 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2, we have 34. Okay, so exactly 8,000. When we subtract this, we have 0 and then copy the remaining zeros. So therefore, the registration fee for the year 2014 is 8,000 pesos. Now substitute to the formula percent increase. So that is equal to new minus old. So this will be the old value, the 7,000, and then this will be the new value. Okay, so just substitute. So the new value is 8,000 minus the old, we have 7,000, and then over the old. So the old is 7,000. Okay, and then let's solve this. 8,000 minus 7,000 is 1,000, and then divide by 7,000. So therefore, we can reduce this to lowest term. We can cancel the 3 zeros. So therefore, just divide 1 divided by 7. Okay, so let's add 3 zeros. Divide manually. So put the decimal here. 1 divided by 7 is 0. 10 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract, we have 3. Bring down 0. 30 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 7. So that's equal to 2. 2 times 7 is 14. And then convert this to percent. So 0.4142 in percent, just move the decimal point 1, 2. So therefore, that is approximately 14.2%. So 14.2%, not in the choices. So the question is approximate percent increase. So therefore, when we round this to the nearest whole number, 14.2% is equal to 14%, letter A. Okay, so letter A is the correct answer. Next number 123. In what year did the club have the highest and the lowest total registration fees respectively? So we are looking for the lowest total registration fees, highest and lowest. So just look in this column. So look for the highest and lowest. The lowest is clearly 66,000. So that is 2009. So just look at the choices. If there is 2009, so we have letter B and letter C, it has 2009. Okay? And then, so by inspection, letter A is eliminated. And then just look for 2015 and 2012 and compare 2012 and 2015. Okay, so the highest is 2012, 385,000. 2015 is only 384. So therefore, the answer is 2012 and 2009. Highest is 2012, lowest is 2009. So therefore, letter B is the correct answer. Okay, so next number 124. Approximately what was the overall total registration fees collected by the club? So we are looking for the overall total registration fees collected by the club. So all we have to do is add this column. Okay? So just add this column to get the approximate. Okay, so approximately. So we just estimate. Okay? So let's add this column. So we have all 0 here. So we have 0 and then all 0. And then for the third column, third digit, so we have 5 here. Okay, so 5. And then, pag partner-partnerin natin yung mag-eksaktong 10 para madali. So we have 442. Okay, so 442, that is 10. And then we have 521. So 5221. 5221. So that is another 10. And then we have 6 and 5. So that is 11. So therefore, we have 31, carry 3. So we have 31. And then, partnerin ulit natin. So 3 and 7. Ayan, partnerin na natin yan. That is 10. 9 and 1. Okay, 9 and 1. Another 10. And then we have 8, 7, 8, 7, 5. But we have 6 and 4. So 6 and 4, that is 10. And then we have 3 and 2. Ayan, 3 and 2, this is 5. And then 8 and 7, that is 15. So that is equal to 20. And then we have left with, so this is 0. So we have 8 and 7, that is equal to 15. So let's add this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 65. So 5 carry 6. And then just count this, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 17, 20, 23, 26, and then we have 28. So approximate. So therefore, we have 2,800,000. So round this to the nearest 100,000. So we have 2.8 million or 2,800,000 pesos. That is letter A. So the approximate overall total registration is 2.8 million. Okay, so last number. Last number, number 125. In what year did the club offer the highest registration fee? So all we have to do here is just divide the total registration fee to the number of participants. So we have 2009, 2006, 2016, and 2010. So we already solved the 2010. So let's go back to number, okay, 121. So the answer to 2010 is 6,000 pesos, okay? So for 2010, we already solved that. This is 6,000 pesos, okay? So let's just solve 2009, 2006, and 2016. For 2009, so we have 66,000. 66,000 divided by 11. Okay, so this is exactly equal to 66 divided by 11 is 6. 6 times 11 is 66. Subtract, so that is 0. Copy the remaining 0. Okay, so we have 6,000 for 2009. So same, 6,000. Then let's try 2006. For 2006, we have 135,000. 135,000 divided by 27. 135,000 divided by 7. Okay, so 13 divided by 7, we have 1. 1 times 7, we have 7. 13 minus 7, we have 6. Bring down 5. 65 divided by 6. Oh, okay, sorry. This should be 27. Why it's only 7? Okay, so this should be 27. Okay, and then for 2016, we have 272,000. 272,000 divided by 34. So to estimate, we can just get the first digit, solve the first digit. So if this is 30 and this is 130, so this is around 4 or 5. So let's try 5. 5 times 7, we have 35. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3. Okay, so exactly 135. So subtract this 0, copy the remaining zeros, we have 5,000. So for 2006, only 5,000 pesos. And then for the last 2016, so just divide this. Let's round up 34. If we round up, this will be 30, and then 272,000 will be 270. So when we divide this, 27 divided by 3, so that's around 27 divided by 3, so that is 9. Okay, so this must be the highest. So this is around 8, 7, 8, or 9. So let's try 8. 8 times 4, we have 32. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 3, we have 27. Okay, so when we subtract this is equal 0, and then just copy the remaining zeros. Therefore, this is the highest registration fee, 8,000. So 2016, the registration fee is 8,000 per participant. So the answer is letter C. In what year did the club offer the highest registration fee? That is in 2016, 8,000 pesos per participant. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito tungkol sa data interpretation. So kita-kita po tayo sa mas marami pang math reviewer para sa civil service exam. Bye-bye and good luck sa lahat ng nagre-review.